Hello dear student, welcome back to science session. Today here we are going to study methods for food preservation. We know that why there is a need of food preservation. Yes, because food preservation is the what? It is the science which deals with the process of prevention of decay or the spoilage of food, thus allowing it to be stored to in a fit condition for the future use. Yes, so that preservation ensures the quality, edibility, and the nutritive value of food. Okay, also the preservation involves the what? Preventing the growth of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. Okay, so which are the different methods for the food preservation? So sun drying or the dehydration, second heating, then cooling, deep freezing, addition of common salt, addition of sugar, addition of mustard oil and vinegar, use of special chemical preservative, and many more methods are available to preserve the food. Out of that, we are going to study the sun drying, heating, cooling, and addition of common salt and sugar method. Now, first method is what? That is the sun drying or the dehydration. It is actually the oldest method of food preservation. This method reduces the water activity which prevents the bacterial growth. Drying reduces the weight so foods can be carried easily. Here the diagram is shown. The grains are dried in presence of sunlight. Okay, a second picture shows the grapes. Okay, due to the drying there is a what? It reduces its weights. Okay, it reduces actually the water activity which prevents the bacterial growth. Then the fishes are also dried, okay, so that it can be stored for the long time and can be edible for the future use. Okay, then next method is the what? That is the heating. Okay, so very well known example is shown, that is the milk is heated. Okay, for what purpose we are carrying out the heating of an milk? Yes, because we want to protect it from the growth of bacteria and so that it can be stored for the long time. Okay, the next one is the what? That is the cooling method. Okay, so if you are observing in the pictures, the picture of the deep fridge, then the refrigerator, okay, these are the shown. Okay, it is keeping the prepared food stuff in the cold storages. Okay, if you are observing, different vegetables are keep in the fridge, then the ice creams, okay, milk, and in many more products, that is the Cadbury's, okay, which are the place the in the refrigerator or the deep freeze. Okay, so that it can be stored for the long time and we will enjoy the food as per as in the different seasons. Then next method is a what? Addition of common salt. If you are observing, the salting is also known as a curing, removes the moisture from foods like meat, which is shown in the second picture. First picture shows the pickling, means the preserving food in the brine or the salt solution. Okay, this salt kills and inhibits the growth of microorganisms or bacteria. Okay, so there are the various methods of pickling like chemical pickling and the fermentation pickling. Okay, next one is the what? Addition of sugar. Sugar is used in the syrup form to preserve the fruits or in crystallized form If the material is to be preserved, is cooked in the sugar till crystallization takes place, like candied peel and ginger. Okay, here the strawberry, the jam is shown. Okay, so sugar is also used with alcohol to preserve luxury food like a fruit in brandy. Okay, so I hope all of you understood the different methods of food preservation. First method is the what? It is the drying or the dehydration. Second method is the heating. Third method is the cooling. Then the what? Next method is the what? Addition of common salt. And last method is the addition of sugar. Many more methods are also available, like canning and bottling, then the gelling, potting, jugging, addition of chemical substances, okay, controlled use of organism. So but in this lecture we have just studied these 5 methods to preserve the food. So I hope all of you understood. Thank you.